Good morning and welcome to Seasonal Travelers. I am now at Edinburgh and today is the last day of my trip to Scotland. So it's around 8:15 in the morning and now I just head out and I am planning to explore some of the local places in Edinburgh just by a quick little walk, and I have also booked for a castle tour at 10 a.m. So we'll grab a quick breakfast and then we'll go for the castle. And I think I'm not really willing to leave this city but yeah, I have a train to catch at 1:45 for York, and yeah, that's all about my plan for the day. So stay tuned, you are going to see some of the most amazing places today. I think they have already started the Christmas arrangement. From this place, I can see the ocean at a far distance. I don't know if it's visible. It's there. I'm liking this cafe. I want to try this haggis. So let's see. In Scotland, haggis is a famous dish, and I really want to give it a try. Hi there. So do you have veggie haggis?
Veggie haggis? Yes.
Yes, one.
You want in a roll or you want to?
I just want to have it here.
As I am strolling on the streets of Edinburgh, I could sense that every corner of this city has so many stories. Here I reached at the Elephant House Café, which is also known as the birthplace of Harry Potter. This is the iconic place where J.K. Rowling wrote most of the Harry Potter novels. Meet Bobby, who is a very special dog. After his master John died, he stayed by his grave for the next 14 years until one day he also died. Isn't it a true story symbolizing loyalty and love? This is Greyfriars Kirk, a church that was founded in 1598.
I have entered into the Greyfriars graveyard, and many of the people that were buried here was the inspiration of Harry Potter characters. Dr. J.K. Rowling has taken many references from this graveyard.
You will find the grave of William McGonagall, who is known as the worst poet in Scottish history. And in Hogwarts, the kind-hearted Professor McGonagall is inspired by this character. Another notable grave of this cemetery is of Thomas Riddle, whose name closely resembles Tom Riddle, better known as Lord Voldemort. This is the resting place of Sir George Mackenzie, who is also known as Bloody Mackenzie. He was infamous for his brutal persecution for the Scottish people who opposed king's interference in the church matters.
So that's the school that was founded in 16th century.
This George Heriot School provides free education to the children, and that was the main inspiration for Hogwarts.
I am walking up to the Edinburgh Castle now, and I have joined our guide. He already started telling many stories about the castle, and I am hoping that I am going to enjoy this story.
Welcome to Edinburgh Castle. Can you believe this is more than 900 years old? This was built on a rock named as Castle Rock, which was formed due to volcanic eruption.
So just behind me you can see the 1 o'clock gun, and it fires 1 o'clock every day, like it's a live one. And today I am running out of time, and it's a Sunday, so of course it's not going to fire today, but that's the real gun you can see here. And honestly, from the castle the view is spectacular. Like what I can see, the ocean and all of the town, it really looks so amazing.
Here you see the massive bombard, which was constructed in 1449. It was actually gifted from Philip, the Duke of Burgundy, to King James II of Scotland. Can you believe that it had the capability of firing stone cannonballs, which weighed almost 150 kgs? And they used it to break down the walls of enemy fortifications. Now I am entering into St. Margaret's Chapel, which is probably one of the oldest surviving buildings within Edinburgh Castle. It was built in early 12th century by King David I, and it was dedicated to his mother, Queen Margaret. Great Hall is famous for its impressive hammer beam timber roof. It is probably one of the finest work in the entire UK. This Great Hall has witnessed many significant events, including royal celebrations. Really glad that I made it, and I made it all alone. I know traveling with family and all, it feels good, but exploring the places completely solo, I mean, it was charming experience. And the best part is I made a friend from Portugal. So that's something I'm taking away from this city, and it's a lovely city. I mean, I don't know when I'm coming back again here, but for this trip, for this time, I loved it a lot, and I will cherish this memory forever. So thank you for being part of my journey. So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Signing off from Scotland.